Namaste, all of you are welcome to today's IT class. In this class, we are going to start your 8th lesson Task Paint. What do you mean by Task Paint? Task Paint is an application program is similar to MS Paint. What is the use of MS Paint? The MS Paint is used to draw and color the pictures. Okay, the Task Paint is used for draw and color the pictures. Okay, in this class, we are going to discuss about Task Paint. Let us start the class. Today, we are going to discuss about Task Paint. Task Paint is a free open source drawing painting application like MS Paint. Task Paint helps to do drawing with animation and effect. The penguin is the mascot of Task Paint. Look here, bottom of the screen, a symbol of penguin. The penguin is the mascot of Task Paint. It shows tips at the bottom of screen. Okay, all of you understand what is Task Paint? Task Paint is an application software like MS Paint. It is used to draw and color the images with effects. Okay, all of you understand. Look here, this is Task Paint window. How we open Task Paint? It is open likes to MS Paint, start, all programs, Task Paint. Okay. How we start Task Paint? Start, all programs, Task Paint. Okay. This is Task Paint window. Look here. This is called tools. The left side of the screen is called tools. Okay. This is the tool. This portion is called tool. Then this is colors. This is colors plates. Here so many colors. We can choose colors with our light. Okay. Then the white area at the center is called the drawing canvas. The drawing canvas is used to draw the pictures. Okay. The white area at the center is called the drawing canvas. The right side is called selectors. If when we select a tool from here, the selectors of that tool present at the right side. Okay. These are the parts of Task Paint window. What are the parts of Task Paint window? The left side, tools. Then bottom, color plates. Then the right side, selectors. The center of the screen is called the drawing canvas. Okay. All of you understand. The drawing canvas is used to draw the pictures. There are 4 main areas in Task Paint application. How many areas there are? 4 main areas in Task Paint application. First one is tool. The tools are on the left side of the window. It's contain various tools needed to draw. It's contain various tools needed to draw. Then drawing canvas. The white blank space at the center is called the drawing canvas. It's the largest part of the screen where we can draw the pictures. Then selectors. It present on the right side of the Task Paint window. The selectors provide various options for the tools to be selected from the tool area. Then colors. A plats having different colors is shown at the bottom of window. There are about 17 basic colors. Okay, these are the main basic parts of the Task Paint. Okay, tools present at the left side. Then selectors present at the right side. Colors present at the bottom. Then the center is called the drawing canvas. Okay. Okay, then we are going to learn about the different tools in the Task Paint. First tool is new. Look here. This is new tool. The new tool is used to open a new page. Okay. What is the use of new tool? The new tool is used to open a new page. Okay, all of you understand. What is the use of new page? New tool. The new tool is used to open a new page. Click here. We get different drawing canvas. So many canvas here. We can choose the color. Okay, here I select pink canvas. Okay, we can get pink drawing canvas. Okay, what is the use of new tool? The new tool is used to open a new drawing canvas. Okay, how we open a new drawing canvas? Click new tool, then choose the different canvas. Different canvas here, choose the canvas. Okay, I select blue canvas. Okay, what is the use of new tool? The new tool is used to open a new canvas. Okay, another one is paint. The paint tool is used to draw the picture. Okay, what is the use of paint? The paint tool is used to draw the pictures. Click here, then select the color from the color plate. Okay, then draw the pictures. Okay, what is the use of paint tool? The paint tool is used to draw the pictures. How we draw the pictures? Select the paint tool, then select the color from color plate, then draw the pictures. Okay, all of you understand. What is the use of paint tool? The paint tool is used to draw the pictures. Select the paint tool, then select the color from bottom, then draw the pictures. Okay. Then, when we select the paint tool, look here. Look the selectors here. So many size of brushes. We can select the brush size from the selector. Okay. First one is very small size. Okay, look here, small size. Then this is the big size. Okay, this is big size. Okay, then so many different shapes. Okay, this is flower symbol. Then heart shape. Then hexagon. Then rabbit. Okay, so many different shape for brushes. Okay. Okay, these are the selectors of paint tool. Okay, when we select a tool from tool area, the different selectors present at the right side. Okay, we can choose from here. Okay, all of you understand? In this class, we have learned two tools. One is new tool and another one is paint tool. The new tool is used for taking a new page. Then paint tool is used for draw the pictures. And we have learned about the main parts of the touchscreen window. The main parts of the touchscreen windows are tools. Tools are present at the left side. Then colors are present at the bottom of screen. Then selectors are present at the right side. Then another one is drawing canvas. The drawing canvas is used to draw the pictures. Okay. I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.